Are you tired of wasting time and not seeing profits in your trading journey? Stick around to discover the secrets that could turn your trading game around in just 6 months. Are you tired of wasting time and not seeing profits in your trading journey? Stick around to discover the secrets that could turn your trading game around in just 6 months. When I started learning to trade, I made mistakes that delayed my goal of becoming a profitable trader. But you don't have to make the same errors. Many traders take years to turn profitable, but it doesn't have to be that way. The key lies in avoiding common pitfalls. One major mistake is strategy hopping. New traders often jump from one strategy to another, never mastering any single one. Today, they might trade demand and supply, tomorrow ICT, and the next day SMC. This constant switching leads to consistent losses. The truth is, you only need to focus on one strategy and master it. The simpler the strategy, the easier it is to make money. There will be times when your strategy won't perform as well as before. Be patient and backtest to find the issue before making any changes. Another common mistake is switching mentors. Learning from multiple mentors can lead to confusion and mixed signals. Focus on learning from one mentor to avoid this confusion and to streamline your learning process. Remember, less is more. Stick to one strategy, one mentor, and watch your trading journey transform. Keep it simple, stay focused, and you'll see the profits roll in.